What was that? That was embarrassing. God. Bro, are we for real? Oh, wow, they almost just crashed. Bro, what the f? And then this girl too, bro.
Like 10 times.
Well, that's not entirely your...
This person's...
Hello? Bro, what the?
Did your Dashcam get that?
Why are we breaking? I hate people, bro. Okay, so...
What the heck?
I'm sick of people here, bro.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Like, yield sign. Damn, grandma ate that. Ah! Oh my goodness! What the fuck? I choose Qdoba because they have pickled onions and they're amazing.
And they have free guac and queso.
So basically, that's true. What is going on?
I thought there was no phone while driving.
If he did it, that means I can do it too, right?
He's lucky he was stopped at the light. Hey, so you actually
Hello!
just make a turn
Bro,
whenever.
it's so bad. Wow. I didn't. I just know when I have to show up, like, and then I'll get there.
You work like 5:30 to 9.
Why are you? Oh, and now you're just gonna go. Key. Sorry, I literally hate people.
I didn't even think about that. In front of the cop?
Did we see that?
No, we didn't!
I love pop culture and like Twitter. That's all my favorite. All right, guys, pedal to the metal. We've got somewhere to. Oh, hello.
Oh.
And why did he break? Oh my God, I'm gonna actually. What is going on? Are we gonna? So I'm actually gonna get people because what is that? This shit. Hello. I'm gonna Yeah.
He was not a good driver, so.
Bro! Fuck!
This is how we all die. Holiday.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Oh my god. Don't honk at me. That was crazy work. Oh, so where are we going?
Hello? Okay.
Yeah, just go. Hello!
Stop, bro. Can we go to Gunther Tootie's? I realize I can't.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go.